What's going on, guys? This is Connor here, and this is my first ever YouTube video on this channel. I have got my gaming channel. I will be active on both of these channels very soon. This is my first ever video, and today we are going through Love Zero Skin. I've been sent this package from them, and yeah, basically in this video I'm just going to give it a go, review it, use it, and see if it can make my face even smoother. So let's go. So guys, right, I'm just gonna, this is the actual package. Yeah, we're just gonna get it out. If it comes out, yeah, here we go. And this is the actual product. It does look quite good packaging, to be fair, and we've been sent also some eye masks. So 3, 2, 1, bang. So there we go, guys. I put on the mask. I attempted the eye masks, but with the peel off stuff, I've put it too high, so I can't put these on just yet. So I might do another video on that. If this gets 10 likes, I'll smash another video on these. But for now, this is just going to be the peel off mask. You leave this on for 30 minutes, and once it's dry, peel it off. I'm hoping it doesn't hurt. I don't think it hurts, as I've used these quite a few before. This is a better brand than all the ones that I've used, so hopefully this one comes off nice and easily. So we'll go fast forward to when it's dry. So guys, it's nice and dry. We're just about to peel it off. I've got a mirror in front of me, and I'll let you know what it looks like. So let's just start peeling it off. Oh, it come off quite easily actually. Oh, you can see all the black is. Oh. There you go, that bit's off. Feels alright. Now for this one. Okay, this one's but it is getting everything. But you can see all the blackheads peeling off. It is quite good actually. Literally nice. Thing is, if it hurts, at least you know that it's working really. Oh, nice and easy. You can see a few blackheads on there. I won't hold it up to the camera because that's a bit disgusting. But yeah, so it's worked. I look nice and smooth. It's actually got rid of quite a few more blackheads. My own advice is just go get a warm flannel now, put it all over there where you had the mask. And yeah, so guys, Love Zero Skin, make sure you go give them a wicked follow, comment on all their reasons, and I'm actually doing a giveaway on my Instagram page, and I'm going to be running it on my Twitter as well. So on my recent photo, all you have to comment is tag 2 of your best friends and comment Love Zero Skin. But yeah, so guys, that's it from me now. I hope you enjoyed my first ever video. Obviously it's not going to be the best, but I'm trying. Go comment on this video. Let's try smash 50 likes, and go subscribe to my Connell's Plays. All my social media links are all going to be in the description. So